This is Rambling Rover, which is a traditional Irish song. In Rise Up Singing, usually they do simple arrangements. This one they have kind of unnecessarily cluttered. You'll see the first line and also the third line. They've got D, A, D, D, G, D. That's kind of a lot to manage in the short amount of time. It is fine to only do a D chord for the whole first line and do a D for the whole third line. So let's go ahead and try out what that sounds like before we work on the more advanced version of that. So starting with just that D chord for the entire first line. Oh, there's sober men aplenty, and drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl. Give me a rambling rover, from Orkney down to Dover. We will roam the country over, together we'll face the world. It's challenging enough at that because it is a pretty quick moving song. So for a newcomer, I would just stick to that. If you want to, you can do the more advanced version of the first and third line. So let's try that out. It goes, oh, there's sober men aplenty, and drunkards barely 20. There are men of over 90 who have never yet kissed a girl. But give me a rambling rover, from Orkney down to Dover. We will roam the country over, and together we'll face the world. Okay. On the playthrough, I'm just going to do the simpler version so you can play along with that. Okay, let's go ahead and do a playthrough of this. This is a song that I learned in college, and we used to walk around campus yelling it out at the top of our voices. For whatever reason, college students do those things. But it is a fun song, so let's enjoy our playthrough here. Starting on that key of D, chord of D. Oh, there's sober men aplenty, and drunk